special to you for watching this video. Okay, today we're going to make the bed for this little girl. She's also going to have a bed at last. So I used this, was an old door. I used that in the room for just to see the size of the room and all that stuff. But I want actually like something like drawers underneath. So then, and this is a bit too big. So I found these two boxes from earphones, and so this is going to be the drawers underneath the bed. Obviously I'm going to put some of foam board on top. I'm going to just make it double so it can be nice and sturdy, and then I'm going to use this for drawers because it's bigger. Because one is a bit bigger than the other one, but that doesn't matter. I'm going to make the bed as the widest one. So and then I'm going to use this was for the foot end here by the foot, and I'm going to use this for by the headboard. I just want this one a bit higher, and so I need to put feet underneath. So I'm going to use this cut off, and I'm going to use that for feet underneath. It will be just the right height there. And oh yeah, and I said I didn't like this because it's going to be like this now. This little heart is going to be upside down. So I thought I'm going to put something like this on top of that, just maybe cut off the points just to cover that heart for both sides, because I don't like this upside down heart. And then I'm going to make this a bit thinner, and I'm going to put it on the side of the bed also for extra strength, and then for the mattress to be inside. Which is I'm going to use the sponge, and then I'm going to also use this it's like a polystyrene type of sponge that you get in packaging. I'm going to use that as well for a mattress, and I'm going to cover that with just white material. So I think that is all the stuff. Oh yeah, if I put the legs on the back side here, I was still going to strengthen it with popsicle sticks. So you're going to do just a bit of strength. So yeah, that is everything. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, I actually found this going from one of the cards, and I thought to myself, like this, maybe this silver rose, I'm going to cut that out and put that over this little upside down heart. I'm going to try that first. Before I start with that, I'm going to start with the bed. So this boxes. So the bed is going to be as wide as this, so I must cut it out like that. Just leave a little space on the sides so that the drawers can at least go out. So at last, Caylee's got her own bed now, but in a later episode I will make the bedding for the bed. That's part of the soft furnishings I'm gonna make for the house. So, but for now, she's got a bed. Yay! So I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, please push that like button, and then subscribe to my channel if you want to see more about this. Like I said, it's not only the house, not only the furniture, it's the clothing as well that I made. Like this dress, I was a thrifting dress I made for her. So yeah, and press that bell for notifications, and feel free to share this video with your friends, and please feel free to leave a comment in the comment box. So yeah, until next time, bye.